There. Hi guys, so ayun, ang dami oh. Dito kami sa Corniche ni Riley. Saudi Day, manonood kami ng air show. Ayun, ang dami. Ang daming mga ano. Let's go, buddy!
Can you please hold this? I wanna swing. I wanna swing.
Later! May dala pa siyang binocular. Come on, buddy! Let's watch air show muna. Go, bro! Let's watch the air show. And then we will go your...
Airplane?
Yeah. Here, your binocular. Oh.
Yeah, what's up?
Come on.
Come on, let's go sit down.
Go, bro. Go run. Yeah. Nunod kami ng air show ni Riley. Dito kami sa Corniche. Go, bro. Go, go, go.
I see one. I see one. Go, yeah.
That's a bird. Is that's a bird? Bird.
No, that's not.
Birds yung mga yan.
Yep, I see one airplane.
Yeah, that one.
Yo! It's an airplane.
Yan. Tingnan natin yung mga air show nila.
I really hope no one falls from that height.
Yeah? Ano, mga birds to. Mga birds.
Those are eagles.
Yeah, come on. Let's go. Ang daming tao.
I see one.
Ano. There you go. Ang daming tao nanonood. Come on, bro. Andun yung mga planes eh. Let's walk there. So yun guys, ang daming tao. Dito kami sa Corniche.
Look my hair.
Naabangan nila yung air show.
New haircut.
Ayun, Relio. Ha?
No.
See this one?
Can we hold my binoculars?
Are you seeing this, bro?
Can we hold my binoculars? There it is. That is so cool. Come on, let's go.
See it?
Yes, yeah. There it is. That is so cool. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Hi guys. Tapos na yung show. So, pupunta na kami Macdo.
You want, I will go use the stick.
Ayan, papunta na kami Macdo. Kasi, gutom na daw itong kasama ko. So, let's go to Macdo.
Bro, this thing.
Let's go, Riley. Ayan, maglalaro muna daw siya. Bago kami kumain sa Macdo. Ayan lang yung Macdo. Oh. Sige na, buddy. Ready? Okay. Hey guys, tignan yung itsura ni Riley. Riley! Eh, pagod na pagod. Punta na kayo Macdo. Pagod na siya. Ayan, come on, let's eat na. Ayun ako. Pagod na pagod. So ayun guys, naka-order na kami. Hintay na lang na.
I feel so tired.
Yeah.
This is like a skibby toilet. Skibbity's toilet. News. You know?
So yun guys, kumakain yung bata. Ako, kape-kape
I
lang.
got a cheeseburger.
Yeah. Pagod yan eh.
I'm
Bro.
really hungry today.
Eat well, bro.
Okay. Look at this.
What's that?
No way. Another crop. Is this the same crop?
I think so.
Oh, it's not the same. Oh yeah, it is the same crop, but it's not that same. It's not the same, bro.
Sige na, eat ka na.